Good morning children, welcome back to the class. I am your Navata madam, going to start new lesson sound. We are going to learn our new lesson sound. So what do you mean by sound? You are enjoying sound. See, when you listen the music, if it is your favorite song or if it is favorite song, music, you are increasing the sound, means volume you are increasing, you are enjoying that. What organ you are using there? Which organ you are using there? Sound purpose, eyes. Are you using eyes? No, you are using your ears. Okay then what type of sounds? See, sound is actually, it is an energy. It is an energy. Sound is an energy which causes sensation in our ears. Sound is a form of energy which causes sensation in our ears. So what sounds you are finding there? What type of sounds you are finding in your surroundings? For example, now you are in your houses. What type of sounds you are finding? Myself, see, I am talking to you, that sound you are able to hear. Your mother calling or somebody shouting. In back of your house, they are playing the songs, or somebody thrown a plate on the floor. Different sounds you are hearing. And see here, this what I said, sound is a form of energy which causes sensation in ears, So suppose if I say about noise, it is also related to sound only. But sound is pleasant to hear. Sound, this one pleasant to hear. You will be enjoying that. It is pleasant to hear. But if you come about noise, when you will be hearing this noise, when teacher not there, when we are not in your classroom, how will be the classroom? You will be jumping here and there, you will be fighting, you will be shouting. What is that? You will be enjoying that. Will you enjoy that sound? That is noise. Don't make noise. We will shout. We'll say or not. Don't use that word. Don't make sound. What we will use that? Noise, because it is unpleasant. Means that makes it brings headache, irritation. That is a noise. And see here about sound and noise. Okay. This pleasant to hear, you are enjoying that sound. You identifying different sounds. See here, you people, you know all your parents. For example, your parents, especially you are much attached with your parents, or else you have listened, you have heard about mimicry. See, only one person talking in different person's voice, or else he will be making animals sounds, birds sounds. He is making mimicry. Then see, identifying. That person may talk like a Chandrababu Naidu, and he will be asking whose voice is that. Just I am saying that he will be talking and he will be asking you, identifying how you are doing with this only. No, with this eyes, ears. You will be just for identification. What you will be searching voice, and you will be closing the eyes, and you are recognizing the voice, recognizing the sound. Whose sound is that? You are recognizing that. And this here you are having this, for example, and this is important about sound. Vibrating bodies, you know, all of you are familiar with this word, vibration. Where you are using this word vibration? In where you are getting that word? Sound, this phone, mobile phone. You will keep what you are doing your mobiles when you don't want to hear that ringtone. What you will do, any meetings like that, there means what you will do, you will keep in vibration, zzz, zzz, like that sound getting. To and from motions will say vibrations, but here vibrating bodies, see that how that body is moving, like zzz, that is also producing sound. When that vibrates, it gives a little amount of energy. Here, depending upon the vibration, more vibrating means more sound. Vibrating bodies produce sound. Vibrating bodies produce sound. Vibrating bodies are producing sound. So here, for example, if you take about here we are having about bells, you know, our school bell, or in your temple, about temple, we are having bells, no? It is actually this metal, it is made up of a metal, brass metal. It is made up of a brass metal. And see, what is that? About properties of metals. In previous lesson we learnt metals are sonorous. Metals are sonorous. Sonorous means, what do you mean by that? They make sound. Sonorous means they make a sound. So metals are making sound. If you beat this, if you hit this, if you ring like this, they are, see, vibrations are, you are finding that bell in the inside, this air is there, no? The air inside is getting vibrated, and we are finding a long, what's, you are finding the sound or not? You are hearing the sound, big sound you are finding. And see, this is made up of a metal. And see here, what is that happening? The air in that are producing, making vibrations. You are finding big sounds. Same bell, you try to make with any wooden. You try to make with wood. You try to make with wood and try the same thing. You beat this. Will you get the sound? Will you get the sound? See, in our school, for ringing the bell, they are using what? Metal. They are using the metal. They are not using the wood. Wood also makes a sound. If you beat the wood, it is making sound, but less sound. If you go for this metals are sonorous. They means they make a large amount of sound. Big sounds are heard by with the brass metals. With the brass metal, I mean with the metals. And see here, this I said vibrating, vibrates. Any body. See here, air molecules are vibrating, and we are finding sound. I said. Same way here we are having in our text activities. We are having. See, you take a matchbox, in that what will be there? Remove all the matchsticks, when, or else any small empty box, and tie totally, wrap totally with the rubber. Keep in front of back, near to that ears. Bring that, or see, just keep aside. You bring a empty glass, steel glass. In your houses, you can do that now. Bring an empty glass near to your ear. Empty glass, bring near to your ear. And see, concentrate. This is important, Amma. Keeping ear, mummy, daddy, like this, here and there means not possible. Just concentrate on this only. Close your eyes and just concentrate on this glass. What is that happening? You are hearing the sound. How? Because of that air present in the yes. Here this about different, I mean different items, they are making different amount of sounds. Audibility, we will use the word audibility. These words related to sound, and sound, this is important, it is not there in your textbook. It is measured in decibels. Decibels, here it is used, it is right, we will write like a dB. Decibels. Sound is measured in, what are the units of sound? Decibels, or else in short form dB, small d, capital B. Decibels. And see here in your again you are keeping books in front of you, just bring book in front of you, close the book and bring the book in front of you, blow air into that papers, blow air into that papers. You are finding some sound, you will observe, you can hear the sound getting, you are blow book, think this is book, bring see you do that, bring book in front of you near to your mouth, blow air into that, you are finding sound. Again say if you take a plate, you take a plate, fill it with the water, here plate, fill totally with the water, plate, just we are taking plate. Now what you do, this plate you beat some with the any stick or with any iron scale, you beat this plate with metal iron scale or any stick, wooden stick. What is that happening? You are finding some sound. See what we did, not only plate, you take any bowl, take a bowl and fill it with the water, and beat that bowl. What is that? You are finding sound, different sounds you are finding, and that see that vibrations, what purpose we are taking here, that water in that, you are finding vibrations like this, vibrations you are finding in that, the vibrations are produced, and that vibrations we are finding like in the form of sound energy. Vibrating bodies produce sound energy, vibrating body produces sound energy. And see this experiment, I said you to take any bowl, I said you to take a bowl, no, any bowl, suppose this any bowl or any bucket or any, first better which the items which are available, we will go with that. So this one glass, here glass, different glasses, 3 to 4 glasses you take, 3 to 4 glasses you take, fill it with the some amount, see the quantities of water I am changing, same glasses you have to take, same glasses made up of glasses itself, here up to here water, up to here water, up to here water, you keep on a table, these arrangements you keep on a table. Now what to do, this is made up of glass, not steel glasses, glass itself, so now in that what we have taken, water. Now you beat this first, go on beating this glasses alternatively, go on beating these glasses. I have taken 3, you take 4 or 5, go on either increase the water or decrease the water, observe that sounds made by that glasses, observe the sound made by the glass. See they are of same size, they are having they are of same size, they are made up of same material, but even though the sound made by them is different, because it is depending, here see vibration, more water there, vibration is different, here less, somewhat decreased, vibration is decreased, depending on the vibration, sound produced also changing, depending on the vibration, the sound produced is also changing. Getting, see this in this way we are finding how the sound is produced in our daily life. See one more experiment also you can do. See your benches, in our benches, now at your house you can do this on a table, on a table, better you take an iron scale, at the end of this bench or the table you keep, one end should be free and other end you keep some support, you keep any brick or any support, one end is free to move, another end is fixed there, fixed means we are keeping some support on that, just hit this scale like this, beat, go on beating, what you are finding, the scale starts vibrating, the scale start vibrating, at the same time you are here finding the sound, you are hearing. See when the scale starts vibrating, you are hearing the sound, as the vibrations say starting, More vibrations there means more sound finding. You are hearing more sound. Less vibrations means if the scale starts slowly vibrating, less amount of sound you are finding. Depending on the vibrations, the sound produced is also changing. This you can do at your house, at your home, in different ways. Just hitting any metal items, hitting wooden items, or beating any bowls. See that in your kitchen, say for example in your kitchen, you are finding bowls, vessels for cooking we are using. Now those cooking vessels, they are made up of different metals. In your house, in your kitchen, you are finding bowls. There, some of them are made up of aluminium, copper bowls you are having, silver bowls also there in somebody's houses. Again, what else? Non-stick pans we are having. You just find out the differences. Different metals are making different sounds, and it depends upon the vibrations made by them. Here again, about that. Okay, I said what I said first. Sound is a energy. I said what I said. Sound is an energy, and why we will say it as energy? Sound is energy, is an energy. And what do you mean by energy? Actually, what do you mean by energy? What do you mean by energy? If you are able to do work, ability to do work, we will say it as energy. Ability to do work, ability to do work, we will say it as energy. What? Ability to do work, we will say it as energy. So if the sound is doing some work, we can say that is energy. Getting? If a sound is doing some work, we can say that is an energy. For example, here we are having some practical examples. Sound energy. See, for that purpose, for showing that sound is an energy, you take an empty plastic box or else glass box. These are, we are not going and bringing from labs. These are available in your houses itself, in your home, at your home. So just any plastic box, chocolate boxes you will find, or any glass item. Remove cap, remove the cap. Now into this. You in your mobile, what we are using into in your mobile, you play some music. In your mobile, you play music and insert your mobile into this box. Insert this. The mobile is it should be in on position. Songs are playing. We are playing the songs in that. Means audible sounds. We are able to hear the song. And now to this to this box, plastic box, better prefer plastic box, plastic box. Now this one upside, we remove the cap. No, upside you close it with the balloon, you know, balloon tie. See, think this is our this one box. Balloon you should cover totally with that, and see, if you keep like that only, the balloon will be coming out. Diaphragm, it to keep in contact, what to do means tie it with the rubber. Tie it, just say like supporting, like this you keep. Rubber band, use the help of a rubber band, close it tightly. And why we are using balloon? Why means not allowing air to go out. What was there in that sound there? In this, what was there? Air there, and we are closing with the balloon. Then we tied with the, not with the thread, we are using the help of rubber. Rubber will be very tight, comparing to thread, it will be tight. Now on this you throw some stones, small stones. You lay some stones on this diaphragm. What will be happening? What will happen? See, air tight, and you are able to hear the sound. See the vibrations, sound energy, sound is produced, no? That because of vibration, that sound energy is making that stones to jump. Vibrations you are finding jumbling. they are falling up down like this, they are falling. So here you are finding this stones, they are dancing, means not our disco dance, just they are shaking, they are moving here and there. Moving, they are moving means work is done. How did you, have you done any work there? No. Which one done work? This mobile, this phone, sound produced by the phone made the sand particles or the stones to move. So what we can say, sound is an energy. Getting? All of you are following what I am saying you. Okay? Vibrating, see, this is important. Vibrating bodies produces energy. Vibrating bodies produces energy. This is okay about you. Thank you.